Excuse me, mates! Do you boys know where the skate park is? What about you guys? Do you know where the skate park is? Let's try something a little bit different today. Am I doing this right yet? So these guys have an entire pond, but they just want those 2 puddles. So we're gonna film a bike check today with the new bike. So I'm gonna set up, film a bunch of B-roll of the bike itself. Oh, avoid the rail. We're vlogging. We got the bike check filmed for the most part. Cody's here. Boom. He's gonna bust a fat tabe. Fat tabes for skinny babes. No fat shaming here. Everyone's beautiful. Oh, almost dropped the phone. I think you can do better. Round 2. Fight. Yeah. Whoa, that was a really good one, honestly. Oh my gosh. That felt crazy. It's honestly easy to do an abubic on the box and then fakey trick on the wedge. That works too. Not bad. You're close. Oh, into the spine, foot plants. Double shout out to Park Tool. Cody needs it and I need it because the bars moved back to normal. Cody's coming in hot. Maybe. Ah. Oh! Oh my God. That got crazy.
Damn, I picked the leaf up too. With my foot.
That wasn't good? I'm going to check it. Upon further review, it was not good.
No, not acceptable. Oh God.
That should have been it. like that. That's point of view. That was good. The end was like, oh God, look out. Satisfied.
We'll see.
Upon further review of the clip, he says, it's good.
Big slider can.
Okay.
Then we'll do a manual.
Okay.
Brakeless 5-tap.
Okay.
3 off.
Okay.
And then knack. The rear peg knack.
Okay.
On the way back.
He done it. He's done it with a quick modification to the line. What?
Said I'm taking that one.
Take it.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
And we'll finish it.
Oh, you're gonna do a trick.
Yeah, I gotta finish it.
So 30 more minutes, okay. A bunny hop no footer.
Okay.
Make life simple.
Oh, I honestly don't even know if I can do that.
A rolling no footer.
Hey.
There it is. It's over. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
I said goodbye. And now that Cody is gone, let's film some clips that are gonna take a minute on the real camera. With a profile hub, a G-Sport hub guard, plastic hub guard, and alienate. So how was I going to do that? Cranks from the back seat, and the ice pick, you can't see them there. So that was what was I going to do? Okay, so for the rear end of the bike, we've got the Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. Right now. All right. Oh, that. It's not that bad. Just do it. Oh, you punk. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's easy. Oh my God. There we go. Oh, I don't want to grab my seat. I mean, it could be, but it's not.
If you do that, then you're just gonna wanna. It's like if you give a mouth a kiss. If you grab your seat, you're gonna wanna twist your body.
Oh my God.
Boom, girl, boom.
Holy crap. I even rolled out the right way. Hey everybody, Brant Moore here.